Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert page number in Microsoft Word. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my Microsoft Word and there have three pages, 1 2 3, but there have no page number and I want to insert page number on my Microsoft Word file. So what I need to do, I just need to select insert option from top, and then you can find there have a option page number. Select it, and where you actually want your page number, top to page, bottom page, or page margin, where you actually want page number. I select top to top of page, and there have three design page number on here, on the middle, on the right corner, where you actually want your page number. I select this on, and after select it, here you can see 1 2 3 page number already added, but there have a header and footer. I want to select close header and footer. Select this. Right now header and footer already removed and there have only page number 1 2 3. If I close it more, here you can see 1 2 and 3. So guys, in this way you can insert page number in Microsoft Word file. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.